how to use Zelle with US Bank. Welcome back to our channel. So to use Zelle with US Bank, you just want to log into US Bank mobile app. First thing, make sure you're connected to a stable internet. And from the very first page, you want to click on to pay in transfer section or send money with Zelle section as well. Now, once you've done that, you just want to follow the prompt to enter your US mobile number or email address. Next, you have to enter the one-time code sent to your device and accept the terms and conditions as well. Then you need to choose the US bank account you want to use for Zelle. Once you've done that, you simply want to go ahead and confirm, read the terms, and that's how you will be able to use Zelle with US bank. Now, for some reason, if you're not able to log in or if you're not able to use Zelle with US bank, you can simply contact Zelle support, and the Zelle support or maybe a US bank support, and they should be able to help you out with that steps. So that's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.